Welcome back to Savvy Serena. Today I have a 3-ingredient dinner. It's frozen ravioli, your favorite spaghetti sauce, and 2 cups of cheese. You want to preheat your oven at 400 degrees. And I ended up putting a little too much sauce at the beginning of this, and I ended up not having enough. You just want a little layer to start with, not quite as much as I poured in. It ends up being 2 layers, and then the last layer you're going to put on top is your cheese. Everybody ended up really enjoying this. I've made this before for my kids. This time it was teenagers, and they loved it. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy. Y'all come back now.